Assalamu alaikum students. As you know that we have done chapter why is soil important. Now we are just going to revise this chapter. In the previous chapter we have learned many things which are related to the same chapter about soil. So in this chapter we have already learned about soil animals, plowing, digging. Let's start. In the previous chapter we have done that what is humus. Humus is a dark substance which is made up of the dead materials of plant and animals. Humus is made of remains of plants and animals that were once alive. As plant and animal remain in humus decay or break down or rot, nutrients are released. A nutrient is a substance needed by living things for energy and growth. Then we have learned about soil. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth's crust. It is used to build houses and for the growth of the plants, which are very important because without plants we cannot survive on earth, and every living organism depend on plants because plants are the producers and they need a fertile soil, which is called a good soil, for the growth of the plants. And all plant materials we get and eat grow from soil and depend on plants directly or indirectly. Directly in a way, when we are taking vegetables, fruits, and indirectly when we are taking meat like beef or uh, beef we are taking, and other the items of the meat we are taking in our diet, so indirectly they are entering in our body. So now we are talking about soil animals. Soil is a home for millions of animals, and 1 gram of fertile soil contain more than 1 million animals. So some of the animals are too small that you can't even see them with a naked eye. You have to use a microscope. And that is an instrument, scientific instrument that is used in the labs also. So like slug, snail, earwig, spider, these are the small animals. Then large soil animals like foxes, rabbits, mice, and they burrows the soil. As we have already discussed about burrows, that burrow is a hole dug by a small animal. So in this picture you can also see that rabbit is there. They are just trying to make a hole dug by a small animal. Plowing and digging. Farmers plow the field before they plant them. Means they prepare the land before growing the crops or plant materials over there in the field, and they are using tractors also. And the plow turn the soil over to let in air so that the bacteria, plant roots, and small animals can breathe and grow. Respiration is improved by this plowing. And digging, which move the earth with a tool or machine or with hand. In the plowing you can say the process of breaking the soil or turning the soil. And weeds are also buried when the soil is plowed, the unwanted plants, which then they decay and mix with other soil to form humus. Digging down to bedrock, that solid rock that underlies all soil, sand, and loose rocks. So they move the earth with the help of the tool or machine or with hand. As we have already discussed that the gardeners also use a spade to break the soil. Disappearing soil. Soil is used to build houses, and although we depend on soil for our food, many other things, every year much good soil is covered with buildings, concrete, roads, and we must take care of this fertile soil because it takes thousands of years to form. and good soil is very important for the feeding purpose. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum students. As section and day or false at the end is good for plants. The soil with the fertile soil is good for plants, so this statement is false. The soil with more humus, the soil with more this statement is true. When plants and animals die, they go in space. False. Soil is a home for only tiny animals. False. Large animals burrow, let the sound into the soil. True. Rewrite the given statement after making them true. Sunflower grows on pieces of rocks. So sunflower is the wrong word. Correct word is lichens. A soil containing oil is fertile. A soil containing humus is fertile. Seeds grow in larger pieces of rock. Seeds grow in small pieces of rock. A non-fertile soil contains a lot of humus. The correct statement is a fertile soil contains a lot of humus. All plants need a thin layer of subsoil to grow in. All plants need a thick layer of subsoil to grow in. Can you name things which are important for fertile soil? For example, you can say air, because it constantly moves this from soil pores into atmosphere and from atmosphere into pores. So first thing is air, then sunlight with nutrients. Now draw any two pictures of soil animal, large soil animals and small soil animals, and you have to mention their names. So you can draw in large animals, you can draw rabbit, mice, foxes, and in small one you can draw ants, beetles, centipedes, millipedes.